Today's lesson is the first lesson in topic 16. Understand perimeter. What we're going to do today, we will solve questions like these questions. Let's focus on question 3 and 4 here. In these questions 3 and 4, we need to find the perimeter. Now, please, my heroes, open your books page. What page is this? Okay, thank you, my heroes. 848. Mm-hmm.
This week we have a test in math or no?
No. Hussein?
Teacher, hear me?
I hear you, but I'm calling Hussein, so please, my hero, mute your mic. Hussein? Okay, Hussein, go ahead, read for us.
The first letter.
Read, Hussein. Read it.
Dad wants to put up a fence to make a dog park. He made two different
Designs.
designs. What is the
Perimeter.
of each dog park?
Design.
Use.
Okay, thank you, my hero. And we need here to know what's the meaning of this perimeter. This word. The question is, what is the perimeter of each dog park design? Okay, the perimeter is the distance around a figure. So we have two designs. This is the first and this is the second. And we need to find the perimeter for each one of them. And the perimeter is the distance around each figure of these. Okay, and we have here a note is that the perimeter of the dog park needs to be at least 30 feet. Okay, my heroes, what do we mean by at least? At least means so it can be more than 30 or less than 30. Which one do we need?
Less.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so I have two answers here. Someone said less and others said more. So let's see. When I say at least, so this is the least number that I can use. Khalid, you are using your mic. So this is the smallest, at least. When I say at least, so this is the smallest. So in fact, we need more than 30 feet. Okay. Now, let's go down, and what we're going to do now. Khalid, you are using your mic without permission.
Okay, I will raise my hand.
What do you want, Khalid?
Stop the pain.
848.
Yeah, I don't know. I said it many times.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay, maybe this is a problem with your copy of the book. So you can focus with me on the screen, okay?
Okay.
And we will solve question here. We'll solve a question here. You need to use a piece of paper to do the same. Okay. So let's go down, and what we're going to do now is finding the parameter. Remember, what do we mean by parameter? I want someone to tell me, what do we mean by parameter? What's the meaning of this word? Anyone? Okay, I'll move again here up, and as you can see we have, okay, Amir, what's your answer? Hmm. So you say that this line, the red line here, is the parameter. Yes, that's right. Great work, thank you. I like your answer. Not inside. So what is inside? What do we call here inside? Do you know, Amir? What do we call the squares inside the figure here? Yes, Hassan? Oh, great. So this is area. So we have inside here, we have area. This is inside the figure. But around it, outside or around it, the line, the red line here, is called parameter. So for each figure we have area and also we have parameter. Okay. Now we are trying to find the parameter of the first figure. Let's go down. And we have here the scale is 1 feet. So each line here is 1 feet. Okay, let's count. I can start from here. This is 1. You see it? You see from where I started? This is 1 feet. So now it's 2 feet, 3 feet. Oh, I need to count all of them. So I like to do this using lines in the other direction. So I will use lines like small marks like these, or dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, I missed.
What teacher?
I'm counting.
What
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Oh, I have to count them till I reach this one also. So each line here is marked. Okay, what is your idea? Again?
Do another way.
Mm-hmm.
Can do like part C in the right.
And like part C. So I can count what's the length of this side. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7, and of course this is 2. And here we have 1, 2, 3. Then I add these numbers. So simply, Hazim, what you say is that to find the parameter we use addition.
Teacher, I know another idea. It's better.
Okay, so we add. You want to use adding or addition to find the parameter. This is also correct. Okay, and for this one we have the two ways. We can count. This is right. And we can also add. This is also correct. Okay, but add what? Add the length is. So we count the length here. It's 3. And count each length and add the numbers. Okay, in both cases we will find the parameter 34. And 34 is greater than 30. Remember, we needed at least 30. At least 30 feet. So this is greater than 30 feet. So this is okay. He can use it. He can use this design. So this design is okay. Okay, let's see the other one. Here, can we count? Can we use counting for the second one here?
No.
I don't have anything to count. The only way here is adding. So we have here only one way. We cannot count. Why? Because we don't have squares. We don't have the grid that we can count the squares inside the grid. So as you can see here, we have the numbers. We can go ahead and start 3 plus 9 and continue. So 3 plus 9 plus 7 plus 3 plus 6. And when we finish them all, make sure that you write all the numbers for all sides and add them. When you add them, you will find the answer is 28. Oh, the 28 feet is not greater than 30. 28 is less than 30. So he cannot use this design. So this design is not accepted. Okay, now let's move down, my heroes. And we have here a question that asks us to draw a different dog park design. So we need to make another design that Gus could use, another design that is acceptable. Okay, the design we accept it if it's more than 30. And we need to find the parameter of the design to make sure that it's more than 30. Okay, so in this case we will draw, and you may have more than one answer for this question because it's drawing, and you can draw many ways, but make sure that you get 30 or more than 30. Okay, so let's try to make it something like triangle. What about making okay, let's start here with 9 feet, and what about here also another 9? Okay, so or let's make it let's make it okay 9, and here also 9. I want to make here 1 or 2 sides. It's okay because it's my design. I can't change anything in the design. Okay, let's make a line like this. And what about a line like this? So I have 2 lines. I have this one and this one. Okay, let's say that this one, for example, 7 feet, and this one is 5 feet. And now I want to know, this is more than 30. If it's 30 or more, we accept it. If it's less than 30, we need to change it. So I need help here to find its parameter. Ziad?
I know.
Okay, Ziad, go ahead. What should we do to find the parameter here? Okay.
9 and 9 and 5. 9 and 9 and 5, it's 23.
Okay, you said.
7 and 30.
Okay, again, 7 and 5. Okay, let's make sure that you used all the numbers. Yes, 9, 9, 7, 5. Yes. Now the total is. You said 30? So the parameter here is 30.
23 and 7 and 30. Yeah.
Okay, so this is okay or not?
Okay.
Okay, so this one is okay, so it's correct. Why? Because the question says it should be at least 30 and this is 30. So it's okay. Thank you, Ziad. Great work, my hero. Okay, my heroes, write the answer. You may try to draw another design using other sides or other lengths, but make sure that it's 30 or more, so at least 30. Okay, now is there anyone drawing or writing?
Yeah.
Okay, my heroes, go ahead. Thirty seconds. Great.
I finished.
Is there anyone writing?
Teacher.
Yes.
Yes. Could I draw a different Yes.
Of course, Hassan.
Do I have to do this design?
Okay, yes, you can, but okay, do this because we know that this one is correct. And you can try to make another design, but not now because now we need to move to the next page. Okay, Hassan? So it's okay to try another design because the question asks us to draw any design. Okay, my heroes, now let's move to the next page. And we will start with question number 1. Ibrahim?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Ibrahim, I want you to help me to find. Okay, read the question for us. Question number 1.
What is the
Parameter.
read?
Yes, parameter.
The top of the column shows in the diagram below.
Okay, how to find the parameter here?
What?
We can count, right?
Yes.
Okay, I will help you. Look at my screen and go ahead. I'll start from here. 1, 2,
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
17,
17.
18.
Yes.
You're following me, right? So what's the parameter now?
What?
What is the parameter? It's 18, right?
Yes.
18 what? What unit should we use?
18.
18 what?
3 women. 3.
Parameter? The parameter is 18, and 18 what? What unit should we use? Okay, it's feet. Okay, Saleh. Okay, thank you, Ibrahim. Great work. And let's move to the next one. Haider. Amir.
Yes, Mr. Mr.
Yes, this is Haider. Okay, Haider, in the second question, we're using exercise 1 also. And the question is, how do you know what unit to use for the parameter? I said here we will write feet. Right? Why feet? Why? Do you have something in the question that tells you that you should use feet? What about this one? You see the scale?
No. What?
You see my screen, Haider?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay, I'm showing you the scale. You see the scale here? What is the scale? The scale shows us that one unit, this unit, is 1 foot. So, the scale
The scale.
shows that 1 unit is 1 foot. That's why we should use the same like the scale. That's why we have here feet. Okay, Haider, you will help me with question number 3, but we will give your friends enough time to finish writing. Thank you, Haider.
I like this.
Yes, write it. As you can see, my heroes, in the scale here, we have 1 unit equals 1 foot. That's what we have here. Any problems?
Don't finish.
Okay, I'm waiting. I'm asking if you don't understand or you don't know why we used this unit, feet, or why we are using 1 foot for each 1 unit. Okay, Haider, count question number 3 and tell me what is the answer.
This is 11, Mr. I counted.
It's 11. Okay, let's count it together, okay? But I want to tell you something. When you have sides like these, you should start by using dots or marks. I like to use marks. So this is one mark here. This is one. Continue with me. This is two. You can see that I counted this, but do not miss this one. This one. Do not miss this one. So now 1, 2, 3. Continue. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I counted till now 13. You should continue. What about this? How 11? You should count all of them, right? We counted up to 13 now. We need to continue. Okay, let's continue. 14, 15, 16. So it's not 11 only, it's 16. You see the marks that I am using here? The marks I'm using. Oh, okay. So try to count it again. It's 16. And what unit should we use? 16 feet or centimeters or inches or meters? Feet. I should write here 16 feet. What about the scale here? So we should use inches, right?
Yeah.
Okay. If you have any problems, my hero, you can watch the video in class here. Okay, Haider? Thank you, Haider.
Teacher, I want to know how you are reading how many the space yes, how many
I am.
I will
Mm-hmm.
for inside and
No! No, we said not inside. Again, what is the parameter? Around the figure, not inside.
yeah, okay.
Okay? Okay. Count them again.
Of the figure.
Inside is area, not parameter. The parameter is around the figure. Okay? The length of the outer sides. Not inside. Not inside the figure.
Teacher, I'm Hamza. I was not here the last day Sunday because I was in the hospital and there is something on my teeth.
Oh, I hope you get better soon, inshallah, Hamza. And of course, I suppose that you watched the video. If you didn't, please watch it. And
Okay.
let's continue, my heroes. Muayyad? Muayyad?
I am
Question number 4. In this case, we should use adding, right?
yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Tell me what to write. 16 plus. I started from here, so move. The next is 7 plus. The next is 9 plus. Okay, now we took all of them, we write all the numbers, and we can add now. Go ahead. 16 plus 7 plus 9 plus 8 plus 8. 16 plus 7 plus 9 plus 8 plus 8. 16 plus 7 plus 9 plus 8 plus 8. 16 plus 9 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. 16 plus 7 plus 9 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. 16 plus 7 plus 9 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. 16 plus 7 plus 9 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. 16 plus 7 plus 9 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. 16 plus 7 plus 9 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. 16 plus 7 plus 9 plus 8 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 You can count them 2 by 2. So 16 plus 7.
23.
Okay. 23. 23 plus 9.
22.
Plus 8.
8. 40.
Plus another 8.
48.
So the total here is 48. And what unit should we use?
4.
Feet. Okay, thank you, my hero. We can write FT and we can write feet, FEET. Okay, thank you, my hero. My heroes, any questions, any problems? Okay, now I will send to you the link of the game.